let's be real. Paano kung today na yung last day mo? What if may one more moment ka na lang to live, to love, to speak the truth? I watched a podcast one time and the speaker said, 6 days before mamatay si Kobe Bryant, magkakasama lang sila with their daughters. Sabi niya, nakita niya daw si Kobe walking out the door and he didn't know, of course, na that was the last time na magkikita sila. Nobody knew na yun na pala yung last week niya. And ngayon, mainit-init pa na balita, one of the most proficient debater and defender of truth, Charlie Kirk, was assassinated. Although I don't personally agree sa lahat ng views niya, but still, he was a brother in Christ who fought for the truth. Sa panahon na ang hirap ipaglaban ang katotohanan at ng tama. Life is fragile. At lalo na ngayon, churches are under attack, truth is twisted into lies, division is everywhere, pero ikaw, nagising ka pa ngayon. Binigyan ka pa ni Lord ng one more day. Sabi nga sa Psalms chapter 90 verse 12, teach us to number our days that we may gain a heart of wisdom. Ikaw, if today was your last, what would you have done differently? Who would you have reached out to? Who would you reconcile with? Ano pa yung mga hindi mo nagagawa dahil lang akala mo madami ka pang time? In these final days, don't get caught not doing what you're called to do. Don't waste the one more day na binibigay ni Lord. Kasi what if today was your last day?